Hi guys, welcome to my channel How to Live. As promised in the last video, I'm going to quickly share a list of 8 plugins and 3 themes that I believe each new WordPress installation must have. So these plugins and themes are very highly rated in the WordPress community, and they provide very essential functionality out of the box, and most of these give us the full functionality for free. A few of them will have some paid versions, but for me the free versions work absolutely fine. If you feel you need some higher functionality or some advanced function, then you might as well pay for the paid version. But for me, so far I have never used any paid versions, so I do believe that the free versions will work well for you. And I'm quickly going to share this list for the essential WordPress themes and plugins, and then I'm going to discuss 1 or 2 important functionality for these plugins so you can understand if you really need this or not. So let's begin. Here is the full list of our 8 plugins and 3 themes, and I'm quickly going to show you the plugins in the WordPress plugin directory. If you go to wordpress.org and press on the plugins, you will be able to come to the plugins directory page, and here you have a search bar where you can search any plugin you like. As WordPress is already showing you some featured plugins and some beta plugins and some popular plugins here, so all these plugins are going to give you good functionality. But for beginners, I'm going to discuss the 8 plugins. The first plugin in our list is All-in-One SEO. This plugin is highly rated and used by almost all the people using WordPress. There are a few other, the important features within these are XML sitemaps and Trust SEO score and the on-page optimization that this plugin helps you do. I highly recommend this plugin. Check it out, install it, and play around with the settings a bit. It's a highly used plugin, so of course there are a lot of tutorials and guides about how to use this plugin, so feel free to search and learn how to use this plugin well. Going back to the list, our second plugin is WordPress Super Cache. So this plugin basically gives a very high speed to the repeating users of your website. So when they load pages, when they load images, WordPress is able to cache those contents and able to give the repeated users very quick page loading times. So the user functionality improves and the user will probably read your site for a longer time and hopefully become a regular user for your site. That's it for this plugin. There are more plugins which give similar functionality as well, but I personally think this is the oldest plugin in business and they are pretty good at what they do. The next plugin in our list is WordPress Forms. This plugin gives you functionality to add some forms, so improve the user functionality for your site. This plugin gives you a HTML snippet that you paste in the HTML area of your new WordPress page and then just press post, and voila, then your site has a full WordPress contact form on it. So users can use that to fill out their name, email address, and write a message to you. I think this is very cool to be able to generate the form so quickly. So I feel this functionality is pretty good because we don't want to use up time to make forms and learn a lot of HTML or PHP to do this. This plugin gives us this functionality right out the box. So next in the list is WordPress Elementor website and post builder plugin. So if you want to have some forms, some tables, some specific layout on your pages, this plugin is going to help you do that without using or without knowing much HTML. This plugin is also very highly rated by the WordPress community, so you can find lots and lots of tutorials and guides about how to use this. Definitely give it a try. I highly recommend this plugin. The next plugin in our list is Smush. It is an image optimization plugin. So what does Smush do? It creates optimized size versions of images for all your pages. So when user visits your site, he is not shown the biggest image possible that will slow the loading time and probably make the user frustrated. He's given a perfect size that the window is displaying. It helps in loading the pages faster when users are on your site, so they have a good feeling while using your website, and hopefully they become regular users for your site if they like your content. There are a few plugins again which give similar functionality, but I highly recommend this one as it's the most trusted and most used plugin. The next plugin in our list is UpdraftPlus backup plugin. Imagine that your site is hacked by a hacker, or you updated the site by mistake and some functionality from your site is gone, or your hard written posts are gone. When you are making a new site, you might not think about backing it up or making some offline version for your site, but this plugin will help you store the backup version for your site on all cloud services. The free version already provides this functionality, so I think this is awesome. There might be some other plugins which give same functionality, but right now this plugin is the most popular and most trusted by the community. So definitely give it a go. The next plugin in our list is SiteKit by Google. So SiteKit by Google allows you to know how the visitors are coming to your site. When they search some keywords on Google and they arrive on your site, you'll be able to know what keywords they used for searching your site. And there is a lot more data as well, like from where did they come, which browsers did they use to come to your site. There are a lot of plugins which give us the same functionality, but this plugin is made by Google. Google Analytics is what all the plugins use for getting the user data. So why not use a plugin which was initially made by Google? This plugin also makes it very easy to add snippets, like some verification texts from Google into your website easily. So when you install any analytics plugin, you need to add specific text from Google that has to go into the HTML of your site. Now this plugin already gives you some areas where you can directly paste that text, so you don't have to go into your site and edit all the HTML and stuff. So I feel this is really cool and makes it easy for the new users to use WordPress in an easy way. And you still get all the benefits of the Google Analytics plugin. And this plugin is not only useful for Google Analytics, but all the Google stuff can be handled by this plugin. So all the snippets that you get can be pasted easily when you use this plugin. So I highly recommend it. The next and the last plugin on our list is Akismet Anti-Spam. Akismet comes pre-installed in WordPress. So when you make a fresh installation, you will get two plugins usually. One is Hello Dolly and the other one is Akismet. And Akismet helps us to prevent spam comments from getting posted on our website. Spam is a big problem in online world. A lot of spammers, they post a lot of comments with a lot of links and some adult links in them as well. Now Akismet has the ability to identify those spam comments and block them from getting posted on your site. It puts them into the moderation area of your site where you can check whether you want that comment to go live on your site or you want to delete it. So let's go to our list of themes now. The three themes that I recommend are TwentyTwenty, Astra Theme and OceeanWP. So TwentyTwenty also comes pre-installed in the WordPress installation. It's being used from a long time in WordPress and is also preferred if you want robustness and stability in your site. There are a lot of guides on YouTube or all the websites that teach you how to edit this theme. So when you start a new WordPress site, I recommend using this theme once, doing all the modifications, the customizations, and test it out for yourself. The next theme on our list is Astra Theme. The Astra Theme is also a good theme and it loads the page pretty fast and still has a lot of functionality. This theme, if you go to this theme homepage, you can see like it has a lot of demos. Let me see this starter templates. Click on this and you will find that you can almost design the site any way you want with this theme. There are some premium themes as well, but a lot of themes are free, so you can download them and probably make a beautiful site like these free themes. So this theme is highly recommended by me and you can try it out. They also have paid version, but I think for most of the users, free version is also going to suffice and you should be able to get a lot of functionality out of it. The next theme on our list is OceeanWP. OceeanWP theme is also a theme which is similar to Astra and gives a lot of functionality right out of the box. If you go to the theme homepage again for this theme also has a lot of demos. So when I click on demos, I can see again a lot of designs are possible with this theme. And Astra as well as OceeanWP theme are pretty popular and you can find a lot of tutorials on YouTube and on some websites which teach you how to edit this theme, customize these themes perfectly. So hopefully if you use one of these three themes, you will be able to get a very nice functioning website for yourself. So that is pretty much it, guys. This concludes our list for WordPress themes and plugins. I'm also going to make a quick guide about how to install WordPress themes and plugins. So definitely check that out as well. I'll put that into the description below or into the pinned comments later so you can find that video easily. If you liked it, I hope you can press the like button so more users like you can get value out of this video. I also hope you can press the subscribe button so you will get notified about my future videos. If you like my current video, I hope you will press the subscribe button so you are able to see similar videos in future as well. Thanks for watching. Bye.